Here I have UMIDIGI Power, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located here at this corner of your device. So what you have to do is to just put the tool inside the hole next to the slot. The slot will come out, eject it with your bare hands, and then here you just have to put your SD card and right next to it your SIM card, and then put it just like this back into your device. And as you can see, it immediately requires pin code for my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is read. Let's enter pin code. And there's also notification SanDisk SD card found, which is the proof that SD card is also read. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.